Wow. So this is the Fittinghoff's house. I'm now walking through about 2 feet of bay water leading up to their pool area. I'm not sure if the pool is going to be flooded or not, but if I had to guess, I guess that it probably is. Wow. Yep. I'm going to say for sure that the pool is now... Nope. Look at that. That's amazing. Unbelievable. Oops. Let's see what we can see in here. As you can see, the water comes all the way up, literally to this high point. The pool's fine. Filthy, but fine. There. The house is fine, and so far the pool is fine, and I'm guessing that if the tide starts to go out, everybody dodged a bullet. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.